Hey everybody, this is Ashley Jones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quilting design that will go around your embroidery or applique design. So let's first start by bringing our design into our workspace. You can do this by accessing the design library as I did, or you can do File and open your design. So now let's create a box around our design. So I'm going to draw a rectangle and make this rectangle whatever size you need it to be that you want to fill with your quilting design. So I'm going to make this a 6-inch square. And then I'm going to select everything on my screen and just make sure that it's all centered nicely. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to create an outline around my design so that my quilting will not go over my design. So I'm going to do a right mouse click and Utility, Create Outline. You can set the distance to whatever you would like it to be. I'm going to leave it there at the default, say OK. And now I'm going to zoom out so that we can see the next step easily. So now what I need to do is the outline I made around my design and the square, I need to combine those two shapes. So I'm going to fill my shapes. This is not necessary, but I'm going to fill my shapes with a color so that you can see what is happening. So I am going to fill each of these shapes. So now I can't see my shape around my jar, so I'm going to select it from my sequence view here and choose Fill, click Apply, and I'm going to change that color. Okay. So now what I want to do is select those two shapes that I drew, the square, the 6-inch square, and the shape around my design, and then choose this option here to combine, and it's going to act like a cookie cutter and cut the shape out of my square, just like that. Now, since I've made this shape that perfectly avoids my design, I'm going to select this shape with the cutout and fill this with my quilting design. So you want to convert this using the effects panel to the bottom right here and choose your quilting motif that you want to use. So maybe you want to do the stippling. You can choose that and notice how it avoids the design completely. Hope you enjoyed this video.